Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I have another Hot Wheels Monster Jam unboxing for you guys today. Two more Hot Wheels Monster Jam trucks came in the mail for me, and the ones that I got in the mail today are the 2001 Reptoid with this awesome scaly paint job, and a truck I thought would be really cool to have in my collection. Steel Striker. I'd say this is probably one of my favorite Hot Wheels original trucks because like that is like a crazy scheme and I love it, and I love the like I don't know what kind of casting you call that, but it's really cool. So the first one we are gonna unbox is Reptoid. So let's do that now. Look at the teeth on that, and I love the eyes. Alright, so like it starts like with a aqua green on the front, and then like the colors start to shift into a blue. The paint is a little 3D. Then the colors shift to like a purple to a pinkish into a red on the side fenders. It says Reptoid right there, Hot Wheels logo, USHRA badge. You got gray hubs, of course, metal base. Tailgate says Reptoid in red, and then same side panel. Yeah, very cool. And then let's unbox Steel Striker. It's got the same exact red rims as Chill Out, metal base of course. Same casting as Pony Express and the small hub Spider-Man. I will let you on a little secret. I am getting the small hub Spider-Man, so expect to see a review of that soon. Alright, so here's the hood. It says Steel Striker with some flames, and then the Monster Jam logo. On the side, you got like I think that's a cobra breathing fire. That's pretty cool. And it says Steel Striker. I guess this is like a king cobra made out of like steel or something. Oh, I get it. It's like a dragon thing, and it's melting the steel. I see. You got the closed windows. You got two cobras on the roof, Hot Wheels logo on both sides, and then the Monster Jam logo along with the cobra tails, and then same thing on this side. Very cool truck. I like it a lot. Whoops. Yeah, so that was the unboxing of Steel Striker and the 2001 Reptoid. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to smash that like and subscribe button. And as always, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a new video, because I pretty much post new content every single day. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a great day. Take care, guys.